Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2021 Toyota Tacoma. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. You'll be comfortable, connected, and focused on the road or trail ahead in this capable Tacoma. Driver assistance technology, including a backup camera, comes standard, as does a composite bed, deck rail system, and no shortage of can-do attitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. Feel confident on the road or trail in this capable Tacoma. Come in and take it out for a spin. We're here to make your test drive experience the best it can be.